What's the meaning of cool hunter? Cool hunter. Cool hunter.
Cool hunter. Cool hunter. Cool hunter refers to a person who identifies and predicts new trends in fashion, technology, culture, and design, and works with businesses to incorporate these trends into their products or services. Essentially, they are trend forecasters that help companies stay ahead of the curve and appeal to their target audience. Through careful observation and analysis of consumer behavior, media, and other cultural indicators, cool hunters spot emerging trends and translate them into actionable insights for their clients. By doing so, they help companies remain relevant and competitive in today's ever-changing market.